Today we're shooting an amazing concept in a small studio on almost zero budget. But we have a secret weapon. Stay tuned. Our story features a detective investigating a boxer who's selling a fight and taking a nosedive for the mob. We're going to use the DIYP studio for this, and it's a small studio, so we need some art to sell the magic. We gathered some old-looking props from a few friends and set the first scene.
It was a hot day, and there was nowhere to escape. I was sitting in my shabby office when it hit me. This is why they call it backspace. The boxer came in, and I knew this was not going to end well.
So there are a few things going on here, but we're also doing some things here to follow the rules of the genre. We started with an empty desk and added some props. The typewriter definitely needed some more light, and we added a small Q6 hidden under the lampshade. And like any other good detective, our hero has a diagonal blind right behind him. To make this blind work, we wanted those amazing volumetric light rays, so we filled the room with smoke. And we did this using a machine called the Smoke Genie, which is kind of our secret sauce for smaller sets. Let me do a quick rundown for you. Light rays look amazing on film, and they give a lot of atmosphere. The thing is that you can't really see light rays, you can only see light once it's reflected off something. This is why they fill concert stages with smoke. The Smoke Genie is a set smoke dispenser. The only thing is, it's really tiny, about a phone size. Let me quickly show you how it works. There's a small chamber here that you filled with smoke fluid, and then you press the button to dispense smoke. The cool thing is that you can select between 4 types of smokes. Haze, which is great for volumetric light. Fog, which is a little bit thicker. Dry ice, which is good for low-hanging smoke blanket or filling up all sorts of tanks. And lastly, there is mist, which is a bit lighter. Just remember, you want to disable any smoke detector before you use this machine. Trust me. Anyways, for us, we use the smoke to fill up the scene a bit, so the classic detective window shade has some rays. To create those rays, we cut a few strips in a piece of foam board. Super easy. For a boxer shot, we were kind of limited in how we can make it look more cinematic. We decided to create an industrial fan that spins and gives a hint to where the boxer is. So this is a trick from a woodworker friend. We created a fan from a black foam board. We did a quick prototype for testing, and our initial plan was to use a hand drill to make the fan spin. But it was way too fast, and we just ended up giving it a subtle spin by hand. It took about a minute to fill the space with smoke, and we were good to shoot. Here's a tip. Volumetric light works best when you have a backlight, so we set our blinds behind the table. All in all, it was a great day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, the share button, just hit all the buttons on the screen. I'm Uri Tirosh from DIYPhotography.net, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.